Xiaomi has just released the new lineup of their smartphone, so the Xiaomi 12S, but they didn't do a global launch, so we still have to wait for those phones. But instead we have one more phone, and actually we know some more information for the future generation of Xiaomi phones. But before that, let's roll the intro. Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. So today is gonna be a quick video. We are gonna talk about, you have already seen in the title, so Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro. And also we are gonna talk about very briefly about the new Xiaomi 12 Lite. Because first of all, as I said in the intro, Xiaomi just presented the new lineup. So the Xiaomi 12S and the Xiaomi 12S Pro and 12S Ultra. They are only available in China right now, but they will come in a global launch, we can say. So also here, because I live in Europe, probably with another name. They will come probably with the Xiaomi T name. So probably they will be called like Xiaomi 12T instead of S, but this is only some rumors. We still don't know any date yet for those smartphones, but we have a new smartphone from Xiaomi still. So Xiaomi has just announced and just released, we can say, the Xiaomi 12 Lite. It is not belonging to the 12S family, but it is still a part of the Xiaomi 12 family. In fact, as I said before, it is available, I think, globally, we can say. And in my opinion, it is a very good mid-range smartphone because it is starting on Amazon here where I live from 450 euros. That it is not too bad because it is the version with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. And it does have an AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate, so very good display for a mid-range phone. And also it does have a very good camera department, because I think it is very similar to my Xiaomi Mi 11. I mean, it is just a little bit below of that level because it does have the first camera, so the main sensor, it is 108 megapixel. Then it does have a super wide angle that it is just 8 megapixel, if I'm not wrong. And also it does have a 2 megapixel macro that it is pretty much useless. I do have a telemacro lens also on my phone, so the Mi 11 from 5 megapixel, and still it is useless. So a 2 megapixel macro lens, I think it is not worth it, but I mean, it was to feel the camera bump in the back, I think. Anyway, it should have a more squared off design, so I like that very much. And it does have, of course, some bigger bezels. I mean, they do have done some cuts in the smartphone to cut also the price, but I think it could be a very good mid-range phone. Anyway, let's talk about the other topic of this video. And so it is the Xiaomi 13. So they already leaked the new Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro. We still don't have any design yet, but we do have some dates and they will be released at the end of this year. That is for sure. And we are talking about only the Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro. Of course, you know that the maybe Xiaomi 13 Ultra will be released like after a few months. But for now, we know that for sure at December, they will be releasing this new Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro. And actually they will be presented in November. And as usual, they will be then released for us to buy it at December, like always. But I think that for the global launch, we will have to wait a few months, maybe in January and February. This, I think, we are talking about the China market. And also they will be presented with Android 13. So that's the major leak. And I think it is a good thing because Xiaomi in these times, we can say, does not offer some very good updates for the global ROM. And so maybe releasing a phone native on Android 13 could be a very good thing. The last spec that we know about this new Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro, it is they will have the new Snapdragon processor. So they will have the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. And it is not pretty much confirmed, but I think that will be the case because right now already the 12S series has got the latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. So I think for the end of this year, they will have the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Anyway, that was pretty much the news. So if you are interested into that, just make sure to follow this channel because I usually share some of this interesting leak So if you are interested to that, just subscribe right now down below. And also, if you did like this video, just hit a like button, because I mean, it's all free. So you can always try and then you can remove the subscribe. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I think I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.